how to remove a song from your Instagram post. So first of all, open your Instagram and go to change your music in. And if this is a post that you're about to, if this is a photo or anything that you're about to post, then you can tap on the music, and then once you tap on the music, if you want to change it, you can just tap on this cross icon and add another one, and just tap on OK, and you can just post it like this. But if you want to change the music from the post that you've already posted or shared, then unfortunately that feature is not available at the moment. So you can just mute the video if you want, or even if you see that if I try to edit the post, there is no option to change the music. So if you want to change it, you will have to delete the post and then repost it. That's the only way you can change the music or song on the Instagram post that is already posted. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.